Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths and Electronics Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to realize the logic gates using the universal gate NOR gate. Let's start our video. So, this is the NOR gate with two inputs A and B, and the output of NOR gate will be y is equal to a plus b whole bar. First, we'll see NOT gate. NOT gate have only one input, and here we have taken a one input NOR gate. Hence the input will be A and the output will be A bar, and the output of NOT gate is y is equal to A bar. The next gate is OR gate. OR gate's output is y is equal to A plus B. Here we can see that the output of NOR gate is y is equal to A plus B bar. So we have to just complement the output. Hence, to the output of NOR gate, we'll add a NOT gate. The input of this NOT gate will be A plus B whole bar. Since the NOT gate complements its input, the output will be A plus B. Hence, the OR gate output is y is equal to A plus B. Now, the next gate is AND gate. AND gate's output is y is equal to A into B. Here, we have to take two NOT gates, and the output of this NOT gate will be A bar and the output of this NOT gate will be B bar. So, to the output of these two NOT gates, we have added a NOR gate. Hence, the output will be A bar plus B bar whole bar. Now, using the De Morgan's laws, we can write A plus B bar as A bar into B bar. Hence, this equation will become as A double bar into B double bar. We also know that A double bar is A and B double bar is B. Hence, the output will be A into B, which is the output of AND gate. The next gate is NAND gate. NAND gate is just complement of the AND gate. So, we'll take the same circuit as AND gate and add a NOT gate to it. So, we have solved this equation previously for the NAND gate. The output is A into B for this. So, since we have added a NOT gate to this, it will complement its input, that is A into B. Hence, the output will be A into B bar, which is the output of NAND gate. The next gate is XOR gate. For XOR gate, firstly we have to take a NOR gate with two inputs A and B. The output of this NOR gate will be A plus B bar. So, to the input of A here, we have taken another two NOR gates, and one input of this NOR gate is given to A and one input of this NOR gate is given to B. The another input of this NOT gate is A plus B bar, and same the another input of this NOT gate is A plus B bar. So now the output of this NOR gate will be A plus B bar whole bar, and for this NOR gate the output will be B plus A plus B bar whole bar. Now the outputs of these two NOR gates are added to another NOR gate. Hence the output will be A plus B bar double bar plus B plus A plus B bar double bar. Now we'll solve this equation to get the output. We can write A double bar as A and B double bar as B. So we have written this as same. A double bar as A plus B bar and B double bar as B plus A plus B bar. Now, using the De Morgan's law, we can write A plus B bar as A bar into B bar. So we have written here the same, A plus A bar into B bar plus B plus A bar into B bar. Now you can see that A bar into B bar is the common term in these two. So we have taken this common, hence A plus B is left. So now we'll multiply these both. So the output will be A into A bar plus A into B bar plus B bar into B plus B into A bar. So now A into A bar is 0 and B into B bar is 0. So the output left is A into B bar plus B into A bar, which is the output of XOR gate. The last gate is XNOR gate. Till here, the circuit of XNOR gate is same as XOR gate because the complement of XOR gate is the output of XNOR gate. So, Since we have to complement, we have added a NOT gate here. The output of this NOR gate will be A bar into B plus B bar into A. So we have added a NOT gate. So the input of this NOT gate becomes A bar into B plus B bar into A. Now since it complements the input, the output will be A bar into B plus B bar into A whole bar. Now we'll solve this equation to get the output of XNOR gate. We can write A plus B whole bar as A bar into B bar. We'll apply this here. So this equation becomes as A bar into B whole bar into B bar into A whole bar. Now we can write A into B whole bar as A bar plus B bar. So we'll apply this here. So the equation becomes as A double bar plus B bar into B double bar plus A bar. Now we can write A double bar as A and B double bar as B. So this equation becomes A plus B bar into B plus A bar. Now we have to multiply these both. Hence the output will be B into A plus A into A bar plus B bar into B plus A bar into B bar. So A into A bar will be 0 and B into B bar will be 0. So the output remains is A into B plus A bar into B bar, which is the output of XNOR gate. Hence, this is proved. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that now you understood how to realize the logic gates using the universal NOR gate. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also let us know your comments through the comment section.